that's collapsing. I'm not even going to bother going there. But there's a concrete plinth in there. And then there's a steel pole for electricity or telephone, electricity or something. This is where I used to hang out. This is so beautiful. Here's the remains of another cow. Poor guy. There's a skull. There's all the body, hips, ribs, shoulder blades, everything. This is where it is. Spear! Come here. There's old cars in there. Spear's just having a field day. Here's some old tyres. And you can see some of it really old. There's old Dunlops. SP9, Dunlop SP9, 155 SR12. So there's a gully here. Let's go watch out for snakes. Ooh, that's overgrown. 4 years ago, I had no problem climbing in. There's 2 rusty cars in there. I'm gonna walk around. But I saw someone on the other paddock. I don't want to get caught by them. I'm actually going to go this way. This is the best hidden treasure in Sydney. I cannot tell you where this is due to vandalism. Look at this. Look at this old car. Let's put the camera inside. That's the bottom there. Back. Roof. I mean, everything's gold here. Don't know what that is, but it looks good. There's some old leather. Some blue leather looking stuff on steel thing. That could be a part of a car. It's an old folding stool thing there. Yeah, I mean the car might have that leather trimming, and imagine and I think it is from the car. That is like 1920s leather, blue colour, beautiful. Old milk bottles, corrugated iron, different profile to what they sell these days. There's a tank, old wheels. See, this would have been old barren. This would have been barren in the old days. Like just a gully. Now it's overgrown. Okay, here we've got old mattresses and stuff. Old fences. No, these are mattresses. This old bed, single beds. Really old. The bush is going through it. And beyond you can see the car. These are spring mattresses. There's all metal just dumped in this gully. And I'm going to go around the other side to get in. Let's see. Not sure which side. Old battery. Remember this one? There we go. Hot bottles. Oh yeah, baby. 2 mattresses there. Spoon and roll. Hot bottles. And I'm going to try and read across where that car is there. There's another car behind it too. There's 2 cars here. It's just getting better. Let's put this one. One there, one there. What I found. Baileys. Oh, Baileys. Well, look at the design. Baileys. Is it Bailey? Is that what it says? Bailey or something else? Look at this car. Look at this car. This is the other car. This car's even older. This is gangster car. That's the tank. Fuel tank. Oh, shit. I'm getting scratched. Look at this. Like that. I'm gonna go around that way. Should be always makes me go first. So there's a snake and I'll get beaten. He doesn't cop it. It's too smart. Okay. Here's a door. Here's a door. That's the first car I just looked at. I'm gonna take my backpack off. Look at the second car. Look at this little treasure. This is like, I don't know, what car is this, guys? It's got the door here. It was white. This is the fender. It's the back. This is the back with a window and a flap. That's the fuel tank ripped out. That's the chassis or base or whatever. Ripped out from underneath it. There's a branch literally on top of this, cutting this car in half. It rusted through the seam, through the joint there. That's the front. It's totally collapsed. The back of the car's collapsed. I just turned the camera. So, had a little hatch, like a window at the back, window at the side, hatch here for storage. Fuel tank ripped out from underneath. I'm gonna try to get to the front. That's the door. It's copperless damage, this door here. Oh, there's a couple doors. There's a door there. Oh, this might be from this car. This is a V-dub, I think, this car here. These might be doors from that car. Not 100% sure. This is a door from this car for sure. And there's a door on the other side, I think. Yep, there's a little handle thing. Oh, I gotta get in there. This is something, and there's something in the door. And, I think the roof was openable. There's a panel there. That's the body of the roof at the back. This is the inside front. Trying to poke my eyes out and strategically put my foot there so I don't break anything. This is the front. So you got some gadgets. You got a handle there. You turn up the knob here. Something here, something like a pull thing there. This is a glove box and it's literally as big as a hand glove. And oh, we got the pedals. How many pedals? 3. Clutch, brake, acceleration pedal. There's a shaft here. And it's the other side there. There's a lever here. Handbrake lever. I reckon that's a handbrake lever. You pull it and it puts the back wheels up or something. This is a panel. There's a spring, the old seat. Oh, there's another lever here. Underneath for something. Oh my god. Old rubber trimming. Hinges. Oh my god, totally love this. Totally love this treasure. This is history. It's been really annoying right now. Any excuse to lick me, get attention from me. Spiel, can you start investigating? What is that? This thing here. There's something in the middle. It's like material. Old material. Oh, shoe. Oh, it's fucking old. Oh, it says red. Red boots. Red in boots. It says red. Red B. And it says in boot. Old boot. this has got a panel here. There's a panel here. What's that for? Let's have a look. Oh, Jesus. It's a panel. Some exhaust thing there. And rubber. Just probably a ventilation panel. South side of the wreck. There's all this miscellaneous cool stuff. Something like a leather glove. A water tank. Bullet holes. Gotta watch out snakes. Water. This is very dangerous. Shouldn't even be standing here. This could collapse. Definitely collapse. Whoa. Definitely collapse. Gotta get across. This is a lot more eroded. A lot more eroded since I've been here last.